Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I am need download driver Windows 11, driver Epson EcoTank Windows 11. You type the driver download and your piece white. I am search the official website. I am like to download official website and this driver not a virus and this driver first download. Okay, this here the official website and click here. This one. You see the printer and mono echo tank and you scroll down. You scroll down. This here the title driver and software and download driver or software for your product and you click button download. Click here and please wait. What's loading? Okay, and uh, this here the select the system operation. Click here. This here the Chrome OS, Android OS, Chrome OS, and iOS in Linux for the Mac OS, and the Mac driver Epson EcoTank Mac 12 and driver Epson EcoTank Mac 11. And this here the driver Epson EcoTank Windows 8, driver Epson EcoTank Windows 11, and driver Epson EcoTank Windows 7, and driver Epson EcoTank Windows 9, and driver Epson EcoTank Windows Server, driver Webson driver Epson EcoTank download Windows Vista and SP. This video I am need download driver Windows 11 Epson EcoTank driver Windows 11 download and click here. You select your system Windows 11. Click here. Please wait finish website loading. Okay, this here the driver and this here the driver print only, and this here the driver print only, and this here the driver scanner only. Driver scanner support the wireless for WLAN and your connect your internet access, and this here the driver printer support for wireless LAN, and this here the same for scanner. You connect the internet access install. Step one, your if you need it, if you need download, click here download and driver download. If you need install driver print for the Wi-Fi, you connect the printer for Wi-Fi and you set IP printer in your SAM for laptop or PC. And this here the one Wi-Fi, one Ethernet, one channel internet. And if you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer and you click run as driver and driver detect the automatic for the laptop or PC for the detect or printer. Okay. If you need question, comment below. If you need link, download below this description. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe my channel. Support my channel. Bye bye.